on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're starting off pretty late today. I just got back to Jess's shop. We're progressing on the transmission. Jess is actually going to paint my transmission for me and nicen it up. So I have some extra paint from when I painted my supercharger lid. If you guys go back to the previous videos, how I did the supercharger lid and the valve covers. I'm gonna do the transmission the same color since I have extra paint just to spice it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in here and meet with Jess, and then I'll try to show you guys the color and the light. The V is almost ready to put back together. You pretty much put everything in it already, huh?
I got a couple of pictures for you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and then this is the extra coat. This is actually the same color that my supercharger lid is that I did a while back. Just went ahead and put like 2 coats of it, clear coat and everything. He did it. So show you guys some close-ups. This looks pretty crazy, man. This is crazy, you know. This was my dream car one time before. Never thought I'd own something like this, and to be going this in depth. Here's some of the parts that we actually have in the transmission. Transgo kit that we have in it. Here is the Sonax piston kit that we were explaining is going to be in it. Jess went ahead and put some new screens inside of the TCM module and all that, so this is pretty much new. We do have a couple more gaskets over there, but here's the transmission, guys, all painted up now. It's like a candy red. Let's see, it's an anodized color. If any guys like this color and you want to do something like this color, this is the same color as my supercharger. Jess is actually starting his truck up that he built. Let me show you guys his truck. Yeah, he's out here making some noise with it. But we're almost done, man. We're gonna be getting the V back together here pretty soon. I'm putting the trans back in it. Possibly done tomorrow with the trans back in and everything. I think he has to pick up the torque converter, but he is making some noise with his truck. It's a pretty dope Jeep. This is the LS swap Jeep, ain't it? The 5.3 in it. And Jess did this. This is the same one that kid keeps breaking. Yep. This is a bit of headache for Jess, but it's 5.3 LS. Guy keeps breaking it, but you know, now it sounds good now.
This time it's drive shaft.
Hopping in the daily. Time to hit up the gym. But the trans should be back in the V tomorrow for sure, and then I'll have to do like some test driving and stuff like that on Friday. And then we'll be good to go. So hopefully everything goes good, but I do have to do a break-in period for the trans, so make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, the CTS-V is almost done. Jess has the transmission inside of the car now. I believe his only thing left is this drive shaft here, and he has to tack up the exhaust and get it back in. But we do have the stage 1 transmission in here, the new piston kit, the shift kit and everything inside the V now. So look at that color, man. That's so nice. But like I said, if you guys want that color, the color that I use is in that paint can that we showed earlier. I don't know if you ever see the flakes and stuff in there, but it came out pretty good. But yeah, today's Friday, so we might be able to make it to Cletus and Cars. If not, I will definitely be there. We do have to do a break-in period and testing the trans out in the morning first thing, so Jess will be here early testing it out. But pretty much only thing left is you gotta put the drive shaft back up, get the exhaust tack back up here, and I'll head back to Charlie's, have Charlie weld everything back up, and that's pretty much it, guys. We're on our way to Cletus and Cars. First nice rear carpet seat, nice Supra. Let's see, GT500, huh? No crust, TRD. It's clean. Boy, Marquis said he want the JDM fanboy. Yeah. Yeah, I know you will. Subi, got the Subaru. He got everything on his mama. He got turbo badge, WRX, STI. He got, boy, he got every sticker you can put on this thing on here. Got the blue LEDs at the bottom. Almost there. Keep rolling. Then look at this Dodge. Gotta get up to that Dodge. That's a nice Dodge right there. I don't think y'all seen too much like this with the wheel setup and shit on it. old school round with the wheels and everything. All right, guys, we are at the event, the Cletus and Cars event. We just got here. I'm pretty sure everybody's staging up right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the stands and try to catch you guys some racing, and then just show you the different events. I don't want to do too much talking in this video. Mail truck. Mail truck, go! Mail truck, go! You got beat by a mail truck. Did he get it?
Beat him by a lot.
Yup. He got beat by a mail truck, man. Got a subscriber to the channel. That shit looks weird. I know it's a Holden Ute, but I don't know, it looks weird. That's a new school El Camino versus the mailbox. Oh, we got two weird looking cars right here. The Ute is basically it's a GTO for the truck. Okay. Come on, mail truck, come on. Hey, he delivering this mail, boy. He got packages to get. He got some packages to deliver, man. Smoked by, you're like, what the hell? Ran an 11-1. Hey, he got trumped. He had the Trump flag on the back of it, man. He got trumped. You got Leroy, you got Boosted Boys.
Well, for those of you guys who aren't here at the drag strip, about to warm up their tires. Again, a safe distance away from the car.
Mail truck.
Because even if you send them to me, they're going to
They'll live in the mail truck, man. Faster Proms truck right here. If you guys don't know, this is an all-wheel drive setup for the S10. They put a Z01 grid.
I just now realized I didn't even notice.
Yeah, I mean, looks cool, I guess. On brakes on it, everything. Pretty cool. That's badass, man. There's so many freaking people we can't even see. We gotta watch through his drone. $1,800. 1,800? Yeah. These killing it though. This drone is getting all the better footage than anybody over here.
That's perfectly normal. Don't worry about that. Yes. Come on. Yeah, brother. Yeah, baby.
Got the whole mystery machine. Man. All right, man. He's one of the subscribers right here. Showed up to Cletus and Cars. He's buying my old springs. These are the OEM springs. He has a CTS-V that he just picked up. He's trying to run 9s, right?
Yeah.
Run 9s. What CTS-V is it now?
It's 2010. It used to be known as Nasty V.
Mm-hmm.
So it's over 800 rear wheel horsepower. So
got a bad
putting these on there.
Yeah.
Them lowering springs off.
Exactly.
Get that alignment fixed and try a hook.
So he's trying to run some 9s, man. I appreciate you showing up.
Thank
Got the
you.
springs from me, man. I have to walk them all the way back over here to this car, man.
All the way across.
So here's his car, and this is the C7 that he ran. This one's Pro Charged. Drove it, what, 4 hours all the way here, driving 4 hours back, ran it on the track. Can't beat that. Ran 11.3 against. Well, so what's done to this one?
The C7 is Pro Charged.
So it's Pro Charged.
Yeah, and full exhaust.
Oh, okay, nice.
So and he's got a tire on it.
Let's see your time slip. What you got?
That was my best one from last night.
All right, there you go, man.
11.3 1.
Cam heads, and that's pretty much it in bolt-ons.
Yep.
Man, can't even beat that.
That's it.
And driving it daily. And then here's the time slip versus the Corvette. Yeah.
And that track worker told him to put his window up.
And then that's kind of what got him, yeah. I mean, but you still did hella good. I mean, you can't compare a Pro Charge C7 to a bolt-on.
It was a blast.
Yeah.
Oh, Jay's coming in hot.
All right, guys, good morning. I know this video, we kind of moved around a lot. Headed to Cletus and Cars. I didn't take the V out there because we still have to do the drive shaft and the exhaust setup. But we got that done. Jess said it's already running amazingly. So I'm going to get there, do our first drive, man. Look at that thing, man. Ooh-wee. Here's Jess handing me the keys for this first drive, and shit, Jess knocked it out. Jess already took it to test drive, so how did you feel about it?
I like it.
He liked it, so now, yeah, it's my turn to test drive it. All right, guys, you know this is a tease. This video is already a little bit too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here. The next video, guys, we're gonna be doing some first drives, so stay tuned for the next video. You guys are definitely want to see it. Hit that like, subscribe button. I really appreciate all the support.